So, in the strictest sense, then, physical geography is the spatial analysis of all the physical elements and processes that make up the environment. In other words, elements are what's there, and the processes is what's going on. How does the whole thing work? Okay. So, in the example I gave you of the drought in northwest Mexico and irrigated agriculture, the physical geography approach in itself is interested in what really is happening on that landscape with water, with evaporation, with soils, with transpiration from water from plants, and in the end, the final analysis, crop yields. To mention a few of the factors, it's not quite so interested in the more social or political analysis that I gave you earlier, although that is an important part of the larger geographic question. So the physical geographer is more focused on that physical environment. That's the main point to make here. Whereas geographers in general sometimes take a broader approach. I'm trained more as a physical geographer than in any other single part of geography. And so that's one of the reasons why in my master's work I started out with that agrometeorology approach.